Good morning, guys. So today is April 10th and I am about to wax my own eyebrows for the first time, which is a little scary, but I wanted to get it on camera. But I just gotta get everything ready and I'm gonna put a before and after so you guys can see how I did. Maybe tell me what to do differently next time. You know, I just want to learn more about it. Like, this is definitely, I feel like since it's my first time, it's not going to go perfectly because I don't feel like first times ever go perfectly. So we'll see how this works. We'll see how good I do. But yeah, let's just do this thing. So as you can see, I have like a lot of extra hairs around here and I just need to sharpen this up and just, yeah. So first I just wanted to open the box with you guys. So this is what I got. I actually ordered it off Amazon and I feel like it was a really good price for this whole kit because it comes with the wax, it comes with the wax pot, and it comes with some extra things. So it came with a lei, which is cute. So it came with Best Loved. This one is for all over, and so I'm pretty sure this one's for like body. And then another one of those. And then we have for Bikini Babes, so this one is for bikini waxes. And then there is this one, which is what I'm going to be using today, which is for face and brows. So exactly what I need for today. There are two oils in here. There's a clean pre-wax oil and a hydrate post-wax oil. So then this is the melting pot. So you just plug it in and you turn it to the temperature desired. This is nice because this just comes out so I can easily just like throw this in the sink and wash it afterwards. Ooh, these sticks are perfect. So it came with some sticks. These are like the big ones that you would use for body slash bikini. And then these ones are for brows, and these are like the perfect size because you can also use them double-sided. So I think this is literally perfect for what I'm about to do. This kit comes with a how to wax like a pro kit, which is really exciting because I really need this. And then it has little spray bottles for the tops of these so that I can just spray them and not just use them like that. But honestly, I might just use them like that because I don't want to spray them on. I'll probably use a Q-tip to apply them or a cotton pad so that it's a little more precise, because I feel like the spray will just like spray directly on and like I don't want it to get in my eyes or anything. I'm gonna read up on how to do this real quick because I don't want to make a mistake right off the bat. I want to make sure that I heat it properly and do all the steps that I need to do. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so these are the instructions on how to use it. This is a super simple way. So this is really helpful. I just don't know what the temperature is that I need to set it to. So I'm going to try to figure that out real quick. So guys, I'm going to start out with the clean pre-wax oil and I'm just going to put this on my brows. I'm just going to take a cotton pad and pour some of this on here. And then I'm just going to wipe my brows. I don't want to do too much, so I'm just going to do like just enough. And then I'm going to put it like right here on my wrist because it says to test the wax before you actually put it on your like face or body or whatever. So it said test it like on the inner part of your arm since you don't have any hair there. Okay guys, so I did not put much wax in here at all because I'm super scared and I don't want to put too much in it. So I'm so freaking nervous, guys. Oh my god. So it said put it on max and then let it melt, and once it melts then put it back down to like 150-ish, and then I need to test it on my arm, see if it worked. If it worked, then I can start putting it on my brows. I am so freaking nervous right now, guys. Okay, so it's in a honey-like consistency now and I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I've never waxed anything like myself, so this is very scary. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just taking like a very small amount. I'm just gonna blow on it in a minute. That's like perfect temperature. So you only have to wait like 30 to 45 seconds before you peel it off. It says like feel it before you do it, and like even that was so easy to do. Okay. Okay, maybe this won't be as scary as I thought. So I got like this amount on here. Let's get rid of that little string. I hate those. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that was like super easy to take off. That like got no hair at all. So it looks like I'm gonna have to like thicken this up a lot more. This is not easy to use at all. Do you see this? Like it's very hairy and it's just not working right. Ow. That one definitely pulled some hair out. It freaking already dried. Okay, this isn't hot enough, obviously. It's literally just coming straight off. Like it's not even working right now. Okay, this one feels a little more buttery, so hopefully this works better. Okay, it looks really ratchet how I put it on there, but we'll see if it works this time. I mean, it worked. There's like actually hair that came off on it this time, so I'm using my witch hazel to like get off any excess stuff because a lot of this brow stuff is sticking. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you guys with an after because this is taking a while. So guys, I just finished waxing the brows and here is how they look. They're very red right now and irritated. So honestly, I'm just gonna give you my real opinion real quick. I think I just need to learn more because that was not a very good first experience, which is what I kind of assumed because first experiences, you know, are always trial and error. And I feel like I just didn't put enough in the pot because I would have to like scrape around the edges and like twirl it in several times. And it made it really hard for me to get enough in it to not dry out fast. So that was my big concern. So I think I just need to add in more wax next time. But it also didn't grab all the hairs every time I would like put it over certain stuff. And I would rip it off, it would take off a couple and then there's still some there. And I had to go over this part of my brow and this part of my brow like 5 times each. And then I had to end up tweezing a lot of it because the wax was not taking it off. So I did end up having to tweeze a lot, but I feel like it was less than what I would have had to do if I didn't have the wax. So I am excited to use it again. Hopefully it goes better the next time. Guys, I am so excited. My business is finally coming together. I just got my labeler so I can label my products now. I'm so excited. Look at how cute this looks. I'm so freaking excited. This is the labeler that I got, and this one is actually from Target. So if you are a business owner, you guys should definitely check out this one because it was very affordable and it works great. So I'm excited.